Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to business.facebook.com or the Meta Business Suite. Just wait for it. And then once done, go ahead and go to the bottom left and click on settings. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on under accounts, we have pages. Click on it. And then once done, go to the top right. Click on add, and then here click on add an existing Facebook page. All right. It says here this is best for when you need to manage a page in the same business portfolio as other Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or other business assets. Just click on it. Now enter the URL of the specific page or just type down the name manually. Okay. Say for example, I'm going to look for a page, this specific page right here, which is mine. I'm going to go ahead over to the profile and then click on the URL box, right click and copy, paste that in here, paste, and just wait for it. And once it loads, you now go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, mine, it says this page is on your business portfolio because it already claimed it. Now, yours will be different. I'm just going to show you an example. Maybe I'm going to type in a random page right here. All right, maybe this one. And then once done, just hit on next. Next, agree right here. And once done, just hit on add page. Okay. Now it says here, add this page to your business portfolio. You have full control of the business portfolio. Your request to add the page will be approved automatically. So just click on add page. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.